Hello students, hope you all are doing well with your health during this COVID-19 pandemic. Today I would like to talk to you about a very important dimension of your learning and which will add value to your CV and provide you an edge over others in your career. Online courses. But before we begin with this topic, let me introduce myself to you. I am Radhika KR, Assistant Professor at BET's Global Business School. I have MBA in Marketing and currently pursuing my doctoral research in the area of Indian FMCG space. I have around 10 years of experience in corporate sector. I was working with Zindal Group as a public relations executive and I was associated with JP Group in the retail venture as a store manager in New Delhi. Today, during our pandemic, we see that we teachers and you students are being exposed to a new method of learning. We are embracing a new type of or a new normal in learning, that is online learning. Today we see that traditional learning has been replaced by this online learning. The brick and mortar method has taken a standstill and we are embracing towards virtual learning. There's a lot of wealth of experiences and knowledge being shared by the experts through this virtual platform. So this triggered me to talk about online courses, its relevance and importance in making a successful career. Let's explore today's topic. Online courses are popularly known as MOOCs, Massive Open Online Courses. The content of this video is divided into three parts. The first part we will talk about the introduction to online courses. What is online courses? Second part we will deal about the advantages of doing the online courses. And the third part we will see the various platforms which are offering the online courses. Firstly, what is online course? The dictionary meaning of the online courses say that online courses are those video modules which can be taken by an individual through internet-enabled services. The online courses are been changing the India's education ecosystem. Today, India is embracing to a new blend or a collaborative method of education. We talk about traditional learning plus online certifications. These online courses are for a duration of few weeks. The students can access the materials free of cost in most of the courses, but if he wants to have a certification, he has to pay some fees and take an examination to get a certificate. Thus, online platforms are changing the way the students are learning today. Secondly, online courses, MOOCs, sounds great, but do we get a job after completing this? This is the usual question which I often hear from the students. I recommend if you are looking for a lifelong learning, if you are looking for a good career path, I certainly say yes for this question. Definitely there is a success after doing online courses. I have reason for this. Like any other consumer driven movements, even the recruitment world is also changing drastically and swiftly. The corporate world is looking for those candidates who are having online credentials with their regular normal degree. The World Economic Forum report says that the fourth industrial revolution is completely different what we are currently seeing. There will be a lot of changes in the job skills, the skill sets, and online courses will help the students to acquire such skill sets. Thus, it is a time for our students to embrace this new age of learning. So you can't take the risk of not shifting to the new normal of learning. So where can I do the online courses? Who offers me the online courses? There are various institutions and organizations today who are offering. Some of the very prominent are NPTEL, which are being offered by IITs and IISc, IIMB MOOCs courses, KPMG certifications. you have Coursera, you have Udemy, there are many other platforms of online courses. But today I will share you some information about NPTEL because I have experienced NPTEL courses and I have also mentored my students to do these courses. NPTEL courses are offered by IITs and IISCs. The experts, the professors, the subject experts give the courses through videos and online assignments. The courses are designed taking into considerations the current industry requirements and demand. The courses are certified by the corporates and also NASSCOM certified. The duration of the courses varies from 4 weeks to 12 weeks with 1000 rupees as a fees and examinations at NPTEL registered test centers. The corporate, the industry are also associated with NPTEL, wherein in many courses students get internship opportunities, and after completion of the internships there are instances wherein companies have observed the same students in their organizations. Thus, online space is completely changing in India. So I think it's time for us to embrace this new normal of learning and transform ourselves with this change. BET's Global Business School has embraced this new change 3 years back. Our MBA graduates who are also certified by NPTEL learners are delivering promisingly in the corporate sector today. Our students' credentials, their testimonies and their success talk about our achievements in the field of teaching and learning. We welcome you for a new normal learning experience at BET's Global Business School, which comprises of offline and online learning. Thank you and a happy learning experience.